Greetings and welcome back to my channel for another video. And as you can see in the thumbnail, this is under the Fair Use Act, under Copyright Section 107, which states allowance is made for fair use of copyrighted material for purposes of commentary, which I will be giving momentarily, criticism, news reporting, research, education, teaching, and/or scholarship. It provides for the legal, non-licensed citation and/or incorporation of copyrighted material by others, which may be infringing under other circumstances. So, without further delay, let's get to it. Today's video is, as you can see, Dr. Umar Johnson, who's been lighting up these YouTube streets as of late with stories, and I'll just say alleged, with Sukiana. But this is not that. This is in reference to a new bill that would allow migrants to serve as law enforcement. This was reported back in June 21 of 2023. However, Dr. Umar Johnson spoke on it briefly today on King Kong Consciousness. So let us review that video, and please be sure to leave any comments or thoughts you may have at the end of this video. Again, this is fair use. And again, this snippet is taken from King Kong Consciousness, where you will hear Dr. Umar Johnson speak on this new bill and what it will mean for Chicagoans. Now, of course, Umar Johnson is showing love to the beautiful queens. So let's continue. And we'll go ahead and take this further out because we've already heard him show his love, and we want to get into the importance of what he is speaking on.
United States citizens. Did y'all hear what I just said, brothers and sisters? Did y'all hear what I just said? We're about to get into this right now. If you live in Illinois, I want you to listen to this. And if you live in a high crime Black American city, you better tune in and tune up right now, because I'm about to go in. King Kong Consciousness, the #1 Black scholar on the planet, #1 Pan-Africanist on the planet, #1 psychologist on the planet, #1 intellectual on the planet. I'm about to go in.
Okay, he's about to go in. Let's return. Fair use.
Hear what I just said. First of all, how is that constitutional? How is that constitutional? How is it constitutional for someone who is not a U.S. citizen to enforce U.S. law on U.S. citizens? Where my...
Okay, for those of you who aren't quite understanding what it is Dr. Umar is speaking on, he's speaking on this new bill, and I'm about to present that as well. Again, fair use. This is the very topic Dr. Umar Johnson is speaking of. New bill will allow migrants to serve as law enforcement pending Pritzker's approval. And if you go down further, and this is courtesy of CBS Chicago, non-U.S. citizens may, again, keep in consideration the word may, soon be able to become police officers pending the governor's approval. At present, federal law only allows U.S. citizens. Operative words. Federal law only allows U.S. citizens to serve as officers and deputies, but, since this bill passed the Illinois House and Senate, we could soon see work-eligible immigrants become part of law enforcement in the state of Illinois. So, without further delay, let's go back to King Kong Consciousness and Dr. Umar Johnson. Again, fair use. Let's get to it.
Where my Black revolutionary attorneys at? Where my Black revolutionary attorneys at? Somebody get Vice President Kamala Harris on the phone. How you doing, beautiful? All right now, gorgeous. Somebody get Kamala Harris. Can somebody get the Congressional Black Caucus on the phone? Where Ben Crump at? Ben Crump, whatever his name is. Somebody get Ben Crump on the phone. Stop robbing the dead. Stop robbing the dead, and let's take up a real suit. Ben Crump, we need you to take up a real suit, my brother. Somebody got to explain to me. Somebody got to explain to me how an American city can hire non-citizens to police citizens. Can somebody explain that?
Again, that was courtesy of Dr. Umar Johnson, King Kong Consciousness, where you can find that video, and I will have it in my description. So what I need for you, ladies and gentlemen, and those who will come back to catch the replay, your thoughts on this proposal and how it may affect the state of Illinois, or as you heard Dr. Johnson state earlier in his video, other cities. Thank you for tuning in. And again, please, if you have not already, if you like this video and other videos on this channel, please subscribe. Also, give it a big thumbs up. And, of course, share. Thank you for listening. And until next time, bye-bye for now.